So right now this is a fucking car meet, man. Out here, my nigga Sticky, my nigga for life, man. Make sure y'all go follow my nigga. So you want me to post your shit?
Yeah.
All right, follow him on Instagram right now, bro.
Yeah, Sticky got dope. Yes,
That shit right there, though. Woo! Oh, you got that rap too? Oh yeah, that shit hard. That nigga shit hard. Okay. That motherfucker clean, man. That shit hard. That might be the next car though, but shit.
Yeah, that motherfucker hella clean.
That shit hard, bro. So right now we got like hella fucking people, man. Super fucking lit. Oh shit. It only takes one dummy to make everything else go crazy, but we out here, man. So, super lit. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So we at this fucking car meet. It's hella lit. It's hella people. The nigga. That shit is hard. So the bro Sticky got me out the fucking house. The car meet is like local by the house, and I really didn't want to go, but bro got me out the house. I told him I don't want to do it.
Lit.
Bro, hey, it's lit. Ain't no motherfucking cops here. Bro, on everything. Ain't no cops here, ain't no nothing here, and it's hella lit. Motherfuckers going big stupid, and you can see there's like, this shit fucking lit, bro. So I'm gonna show you guys some of these cars. It's more of a muscle meat, but shit, it's some dope shit. So I'm gonna show you guys some shit. Motherfucking lit, goddamn. Damn, you killed that shit, bro. Hey, that motherfucking clean, bro. That shit hard, bro. Hell yeah, that shit hard. That nigga too like a motherfucker. But I gotta get this goddamn in place. Goddamn. so we finally made it to a whole new location. The car meet was fucking insane. Shout out to the homie Sticky. Like I said, he told me to come out, so we fucking came out. But we are doing something super crazy. The homie John, you feel me? The homie John over here, you know what I'm saying? Let's go take a trip. So the homie John,
You already know, man.
I just joined the car club. My brother just joined the car club. This the motherfucking president right here, you know what I'm saying?
That's what's up.
The motherfucking real one, you know what I'm saying? So
real.
I'm a part of it. So I'm officially big, you know what I'm saying? Big ignorant, but I'm a part of what's it called?
Street legacy.
Yeah, damn it. Street legacy, you feel me? Yeah, I'm editing the fuck out of this. But yeah, I'm part of street legacy, you know what I'm saying? So we got motherfuckers here. You got the homie right here, bro, right here.
Yeah.
Real one, man.
Yeah,
Instagram or some shit.
You know, was it Zay_925?
This nigga forgot his own.
Hey, make sure you guys go follow Cuz, bro. I met him today for the first time. Cool ass homie. I'm gonna keep rocking.
He ain't talking about me. Talking about him.
Yeah, this nigga been around for decades. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we all pulled up, man. So this is some of the car club, and I'm gonna show you guys some of their cars because their cars are clean. All right, yeah. So this shit right here, this Q60 is bad fucking ass. This is a part of the car club. We got Jeremiah, part of the car club right here. hey, man. And then we got some dope ass shit over here too, man. So we got some all different cars. You know what I'm saying? This is the homie John's car, tuned and everything, super crazy. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we doing, man. So we just chilling over here. We all linked up, man. The squad, you know what I'm saying? We got more people, of course. But we all just chilling, man. We all vibing. And yeah, we're chilling with the homies, man. So tonight was fucking lit, like I said. I'm happy I got the house. And it was just crazy. I should have recorded more content, but I was just enjoying just being out and enjoying the time with my bro and my fam and my homies, you know what I'm saying? But security about to catch his black ass. Let me show you this. That dude in the truck going crazy, but security about to pull up on that nigga. God damn, man. Motherfuckers big ignorant out here. John, just give it up. Just get it up. Give it up. Give it up. This guy. Should I keep it in or should I take it out? I don't know. I'm going to keep it in, though. Yeah. He wanted to go to jail. Right. Bruh, this shit hard. This shit clean. I love the Q60s, bruh.
Do it. He said nah.
Like, I'm about to be cool. That motherfucker be. That nigga should be. Man, that should be like that low whistle.
You should see his face.
No, I seen him.